Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Vanguard error 1067 quickly. So let's start. First of all, go to the search bar, after that type in services. Now once this pop up, select any service you want and then in the keyboard hit V. Now look for VGC and then make sure to switch the startup type from manual to automatic and switch the service status from stop to running by clicking on start. After that, select apply and OK. Now for the next step, you want to go to the Windows taskbar and then select task manager. From here, go to the search, type in Riot Vanguard. If you find any application running, just make sure to right click and then select exit in order to stop it. You just need to restart your computer. Now for the last method, if nothing works, go to the search bar, search for settings, go to applications in the left menu and then select installed apps. From here you want to search for League of Legends and you want to go to the three dots and then uninstall the game and just install it again from the official website. And that's it. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and see you on the next one.